Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about animals of the East African savanna habitat. Let's see what wonderful things we're going to learn today. Let's start by having a look at the habitat chart that we have completed so far. Today, we are going to learn about another type of habitat called a grassland habitat. There are many grassland habitats in the world, but today we will be learning about one in particular, the one in the East African savanna. The word savanna is another word for grassland. Look at the map. You see that yellow area in Africa? That is the East African savanna. Let's look at some words that we need to know in order to understand today's lesson. The first word is savanna or grassland. Say the word with me. Savanna. Did you repeat? Repeat after me. Savanna. Good job. Now let's say grassland. Excellent. Say it one more time. Grassland. In today's lesson, you will hear about a habitat called the savanna or grassland. Look at this image. Think about the meaning of grassland. Let's think. Grassland is land that is covered in wild grass. Savanna is another name for grassland.